Hopefully you're doing good whatever you are. Look at this. Would you want to live over here, or you'd prefer somewhere else where you don't have to deal with this white stuff, the snow? You can see some people over there just standing around smoking, enjoying the weather, the snow. This is Minnesota, Twin Cities. You can see another person over there putting the windshield washer fluid in his car. Would you live here? Again, Twin Cities, Minnesota. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the snow flurries, but we've had a lot of snow already on the ground, a few feet. Leave a comment, let me know if you live in a state where you get snow or not. We're gonna be going sledding soon, because now we have enough snow. Yep, my kid and I, we go sledding. If you live in a state where you get snow, do you go sledding, or what kind of snow activities do you do outside? I'm just curious. Also, give us a like, subscribe, support us. Let's grow this community. This is Jacob and Dad. No scripts, no actors. Everything you see is real, original. Just showing you our life, my kid and I. Since he was a baby, single father here. Enjoying life. Wanted to pop in here and show you what we're dealing with in Minnesota. This is winter. Life continues. Just staying warm, staying indoor for now. We're going out later. You can see the street is busy over there. Does that look nice to you? Do you like it? It's always nice to hear people's comments. When I say hear, I mean you type them. That's how we interact. I have a lot of videos, you can come back and watch a playlist. Let me show you the back side of my street, or the front. There's a back, I'll show you the front. There's the front of my house. That's what the street looks like. Just a few cars parked. In case you wonder why they have their wipers up, because in winter the rubber gets stuck on the windshield and then they can peel off. Now you know. If you ever see that now, you know why. You only see that in winter. This is Minnesota. You can see a lot of snow. It's kind of cold, chilly, not too bad. You can see old houses. And it's a very quiet neighborhood here, especially at this block. Not too much going. Alright. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. I'm not gonna keep asking. You can subscribe, you don't have to, but it would be nice. And if you subscribe, come back and watch the playlists. I have enough to keep you engaged. Watch our life. And leave comments, be kind, spread love. See you in the next video. Peace out. Winter 2025 in Minnesota.